Trump promises to reimpose Muslim travel ban. What is it? Former President Donald Trump, a 2024 presidential hopeful, vowed to reinstate a controversial order targeting predominantly Muslim countries if he is re-elected. "We will keep radical Islamic terrorists the hell out of our country. On day one, I will restore our travel ban." The Muslim travel ban was an executive order signed by Trump in January 2017, shortly after winning the presidential election. It prohibited travel and refugee settlement from select Muslim-majority countries, including Iran, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen. The order also suspended the resettlement of Syrian refugees. The 2017 order sparked nationwide protests and legal challenges, with opponents arguing that it constituted religious discrimination. Although court injunctions temporarily blocked the ban, a third version was ultimately allowed to go into force by the Supreme Court in 2018. The ban was later expanded to include Venezuela and North Korea, and in 2020, the Trump administration added 6 more countries to the list. Upon his victory in the 2020 presidential election, President Joe Biden swiftly reversed the ban in his first week in office. He criticized the previous administration's actions, calling them a stain on our national conscience and inconsistent with America's history of welcoming people of all faiths. Biden revoked multiple executive orders and proclamations related to the ban and called for the resumption of visa services and strengthened partnerships. The Muslim travel ban, initially implemented by Trump and later reversed by Biden, remains a contentious issue in American politics. Its impact on national security, alliances, and partnerships continues to be debated.